Alright.
Hail, Governor. What would you like to research next?
Further education. So you need to research all the time.
Research started.
Advance your civilization, and then the enemy is arriving. Ooh. Another army. So my army is well equipped.
Governor, enemies have arrived at our city.
Oh, this is a big one. Shite. Right, Carthaginians with those elephants. Oof. Oh my, oh my, oh my, it's a big one. It's a big one. So let's. Oops. Okay. They are.
Further education has been researched.
Look at this. Look at this.
We have defeated the enemy.
Oof, those poor animals. Yeah. We have defeated the enemy. Yay. Alright. Now I'm sending them back to its fort. Here we go.
Hail, Governor. What would you like to research next?
Let's see, maybe medicine. Yeah.
Research started.
Healthy citizens. It's good. Alright, so they go back to their fort. So what have we got? Yeah, our city, our little town is growing. So again, it all starts with this well. We need water. Yeah, water is the first primary thing. And actually when you click on the citizens...
I was saying to my husband the other night how good the roads are around here.
They speak.
Rome was destined to rule the world. That's why it's right at its heart.
So you can listen to that.
Our city streets stink. We need more street cleaners.
Ooh, they complain. Often they complain, especially when it's just the beginning of the game, like the infrastructure. Okay, city streets need some more care and attention. So I just have it here. See, street cleaner, street sweeper. So yeah, after the water, we have the meat. We need
medicine has been researched.
So basically we have goat farms. Sometimes if we have the ocean, we can have some fish and stuff. And then meat. After the meat, we have weaving and tunics. We of course need a farm. Yeah, flax farm.
Hail, Governor. What would you like to research next?
Okay, philosophy. Making our citizens happy? No, the will.
Research started.
Quality of the roads. Let's increase the quality of the roads. So yeah, then we have olive oil, and we need the olive farm, of course. So wheat, yeah, they are already collecting the wheat. Then the wheat is taken by those guys working at the mill. And look at this, look at the detail, at all this thing. They make flour. And of course, it's like in terms of the vocabulary, this is crazy, right? Yeah. There it is. Then the baker will take it and he will bake his bread. Look at that. Oh my god.
My neighbour is a nosy old so-and-so.
Actually, it's British English when they're speaking. And the name Britain, actually, it's a Roman name. Yeah? Britannium, I think. That was the original name by the Romans. So I'm going to look at that house. Those citizens, they always have new needs as the civilization advances. So you need to take care of their needs. I'm gonna build another fort as well to get more like army, like more soldiers. Increase the number of my soldiers. Here we are. Take care of those enemies who want to destroy my little town. Here we are. I'm gonna change this to this, right? Okay, yeah. So I'm not commenting on every detail. I'm just saying this game is really cool.